Hello, yes, this is my new gun that I'm going to show you in a second. The camera is really bad because it's really old, and so here's my old one, and it's just crap. Yep, there you go, magnificent. And then, there's this guy, and I cannot open the box, because I'm using one hand. But then there's these things. Then hold up, wait for it. It's just trying to hide from you. Doesn't like your face. Okay, well, I'm going to come over here on my bed and kind of just open it up from the side. It is a G&G armament, and it's a combat machine, and the box is mean. Oh wait, I got it. Oh, yes. So there's these little things that are holding it into place. Ooh, baby ammo, just in case you want to shoot some people. A nice magazine. I'm not sure what you'd call it, but it's a magazine, and it has bullets, and you use the bullets. A very nice sight that I'm not sure what it uses, but it's a nice red dot sight. Let's see if it can be seen through. Oh, so fancy. You can see through it. Oh, I just noticed it's on. You can see it's on. There's a little light there. Do like a full screen. Yeah, that's a light. Get over it. I'm going to see how to turn it off, I guess. Can you see my face? No, but you can see my phone and my flag. America. And moving on. First I gotta figure out how to turn this off. Yeah. I do not know. Hold on, I'm sorry. Whatever. Okay, I'll turn it off later. Oh, crap. Yeah, crap. Oh, it's so heavy. It is super duper long, and that's my background. It's not important. I guess the rail is plastic, and I'm not sure. This is plastic too, it must be. It feels like it. This is, the back is plastic. Hold on. Oh, okay, there we go. Grip. It's got a nice feel to it. Even down the sights that aren't there. Yeah. So close. I mean, wait, what? Never mind, I didn't say that. I guess all these parts are metal. Wait, how do you do this? Not sure. Surprising, I wasn't expecting this thing to be, the rails to be plastic. I was expecting the rails to be metal, and the, parts like this, and like random parts just to be plastic, just for the heck of it. This is a really nice feel to it, and, yeah, I guess that's it. I will shoot it later. Goodbye. Oh crap. Okay, bye.